Introducing YourPlay, the personal gaming card that lets you track your pokie machine play over time. Every gaming machine in Victoria now has a YourPlay card reader and digital display, so you've got the power to keep track of the time and money you spend on the pokies. YourPlay keeps a running total of the time and money you put in, so you always know where you're at and can make the call to play on or not. Plus, you can set your own limits. Simply enter your time and money limit via the YourPlay website or at the kiosk in venue before you start playing. YourPlay even gives you personal reminders. The display will give you a message as you approach your set limit, or you can type in your own reminder message to encourage you to stick to your limit, whatever works for you. YourPlay will also let you see your playing activity over time. You can access online statements to view your playing activity over a session, a week, a month, or even a year. You'll also get an annual statement with a more detailed breakdown. See how you fare against your set limits and understand what you've spent over time. All your information is confidential and protected by personal privacy laws. It's completely anonymous and available only to you. With YourPlay, you've got everything you need to track your pokie machine play. Get your card today and play it your way. For more information, visit yourplay.com.au or ask staff at your local gaming venue.